In our previous video, we started with how to design one bedroom house, and we go to our dimension. We couldn't include the windows, we couldn't include the doors. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert your windows in your one bedroom house in Revit. And also how you are going to insert the doors, how you are going to design the floors, and also design any facade that you want to add to your building. Okay, so in our previous video, we said our one bedroom house, the dimension is going to be 4 meters by 4 meters, which is 4000 mm by 4000 mm. Okay, so this is what we got. So looking at the 3D, selecting the 3D, this is what we got. This is what we got for our one bedroom house. Okay, now we have our plan. Okay, one thing you need to know is you have to change the line weight of your plan of your walls to maybe 6 or 5. So in order to change your line weight to 6 or 5, you just press VG. That's a shortcut on your keyboard. You see this menu, you scroll it down, okay, so this is our wall. You select it, you come to where the cut is, you see lines and patterns, so you have to choose lines. So lines, they override, click on it. Forget about the color is already in black, but if you want to change your walls colors to maybe red, blue or yellow, just select the color. This if you want to change it to blue, select blue. But the line weight, so this is where we see we do the line weight, so no override. So just select, I think I'm cool with the 6, yeah, select 6, you click OK, apply, very small, you bring it here. So here, as you can see, so now our walls, we've changed the color of our walls to what? Blue. I prefer the black, yeah, so I'll maintain the black color. So select black, okay, apply, drag it. So you can see that our walls thickness has become bold, and also the color of our walls, as you can see, it's already in black. So you just click OK. Okay, so in order to insert windows in Revit, we have components for the windows, or the families for windows. So you just have to go to architecture, then you select windows. So you can see that the shortcut for inserting windows or for activating the windows command is what? WN. If you go to architecture and you put your cursor on the window, you see WN here, WN at the top. See WN, add the window to the building model. Okay, so you select the window. So by default, Revit will give you M-fixed window. So this is the M-fixed window. I don't prefer M-fixed window. In this video, we are going to use sliding windows. We're going to use sliding windows for our building model. Okay, so once we have our windows, here's the window. You see modify place window. You click on it here, the top, click on it, you go to load family. So you see this, you bring it down, you see windows, select your windows. So you have a lot of windows, but I made mention of sliding windows, so I look through if I can see sliding windows. Okay, so this is window sliding double, so I'll choose that. Okay, you see that you have a lot of dimensions or it comes in different sizes, so I select OK. After selecting OK, wait small. Okay, so in this video, since it is 1-bedroom house, we are going to use 1500 mm by 1400 mm. So our width is going to be the 1400 and our height is going to be the 1500. So we have to change the dimensions, so we have to select the edit type. So our width, we change it to 1400 like I said. Okay, let's use 1500 for the width because we have to bring in a lot of ventilation. So 1500 for the width. Okay, so let's use the same 1500 for the height, okay, so that we get more or maximum daylight coming into our space. So after selecting this, you press apply, click on apply. Okay, so this is our window. So we are going to place our window. We are going to utilize our north and south because the prevailing wind is coming from the southwest side, so meaning you have to utilize our north and south side to prevent the solar ingress from coming into our space, because placing the windows in the east or the west side, you have to bring in shading devices and all that, but we want to play safe, so we are going to utilize our north and south. So we are going to place our window here. Since it is 1-bedroom house, we are going to use this one. I think one is okay. So you can see that the dimensions, everything is on point. Okay, so you've placed your window, and let's say you are going to place one also here. Okay, for cross ventilation. Okay, so now you press escape on your keyboard. Then after pressing escape, let's check how our windows look like. So this is our window. You press right click on the mouse, then you press shift and you rotate, go around. So this is our window. Okay, so once we've placed our window, go to our floor plan. So now we have to check our cell height. Select this is our cell height. We will come to that. For now, let's move ahead and insert the windows and everything. After that, we will know how we are going to tackle the cell height. I'll show you how to do the cell height. Okay, so once we have placed our windows, we have to place our doors too. So go to architecture again, you will see doors. So this is our door command. You click on it. So the shortcut is DR. So let's say after pressing escape, so the command is not active. If I press DR on the keyboard, you see that now I have my doors. Okay, by default Revit will give you M single flash, but I prefer panel door. So there's the same method we use to insert our windows. We are going to use the same method to insert our doors too. Okay,